Once upon a time, I was jealous of the birds, nervous of the crowd, crying over persecution and discipline, thinking I could be perfect on my own, wasn't wise in Father's instructions, fearful of everything in sight. I shook my burning fist at the birds, who only flew and soared sky high. Ask me, where is my faith, like that song says, and I will tell you about it. Somehow the little birds in the world know my song, a song I cherished, yet kept inside so long. My faith lies in my Savior Jesus Christ, who took the sins of this world, placed it on his body, and bled and died, even though he was always holy. He rose on the third day victoriously. Why is he my Savior? He took the death that I deserved and conquered it, just so I can live a life fully, abundantly, and eternally. The birds knew my song, and they knew it all too well. They invite me to be like them, anxious over nothing, for they know that he who is greater provides them with the food and shelter they need. And those wings, wow, those wings, to fly high and declare that they are free. His love sets us free.